Hi, my name's Ruth. I live here with my husband Andrew, my two daughters Ruby and Lucy, and this is the home that we've finished renovating. So when we came to choose a builder, we wanted someone who was local, and friends of ours knew Todd and Sarah. We'd seen Todd's work on his website about renovations, and we knew that he'd won the House of the Year category for his own home renovation. The images that were there suggested to us that that was very high spec and was done with a lot of attention to detail, which was important to us. Another reason for picking Todd Starkey Builders was that he's got such a good working relationship with the Huranui District Council. That's really important to us, that we have a builder that's got the backing of our local council and that within that building team they know that his work is of a very high standard. Our vision for this house was to turn what was a 4-bedroomed home with one main bathroom into a unit that would work for us as a family. The build process was quite complex for us because we needed to stage how we did the house. We wanted to remain in it. With it being an older home, we needed to problem solve some of the areas of the house that weren't working for us. We wanted a more open plan living area. So the original house that was here was well connected between the inside and the outside environments, and we wanted to maintain that when we did the renovation. The children really like having that connection with the outside, the fact that they don't have to come through the main living area to get outside. They've got access to the outside from the slider in the hallway. We're quite an outdoorsy family, so having that connection with the outdoors was quite important to us. So I think our ensuite is one of our favourite features. We're really pleased with the finish that we got. We're really pleased with how Sarah helped us put together the interior and which tiles to pick. When we were discussing the budget for the build with Todd, he was quite upfront about how renovations can throw curveballs, and that yes, whilst we were aiming to stick within a budget, that with a renovation it's not always possible to accurately predict what you're going to uncover as you get into that renovation process, and we really appreciated his openness and his honesty over that. And I think Todd's really helped us make good use of what money we've spent to get the finish that we wanted. I think the house is more than we expected. You have this vision in your mind of what it's going to look like, and with it being a staged approach you could see it coming together, and it's quite exciting to come home and have a look at what they've actually done in a day. Before we started our renovation, our youngest daughter Lucy was actually quite scared living here. The windows rattled, she was cold, she didn't enjoy sleeping here, and one of the things that she said to me when the house was finished was, she said, "Todd's made the house warm and safe for me." We're so pleased with the finished product now that we can see ourselves living happily here for a long time. It didn't come without challenges, but was it worth it? Yes, it was worth it in the end. We've really enjoyed working with Todd and Sarah Starkey on this renovation, and we'd recommend that anybody use Todd Starkey Builders.